everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and today's look I'm going to be doing this kind of halo smoky eye, just a couple of products from Urban Decay and Prados Beauty. If you'd like to see how I created this look, continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I already have like a little bit of mascara on, but I use Superhero. Sorry about the noise. I know you hear a lot of it in the background, but I live on a busy street. But I use Superhero by It Cosmetics. Fantastic. I'll put a little bit more on, but just so there's a little bit there. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow stick in Chaos. These dry really fast. They're waterproof, so you want to work pretty quickly with them. So I line underneath the eye first, and I pull that out a little bit. Then I take a brush. This is from Prados Beauty. I love their brushes. And I'm gonna work in sections since it dries really fast, and you don't want it to stick. So just smudge that out as much as you want. On the top, I fill in my whole lid all the way to the lash line and a little bit into that inner corner and a little bit into the crease. And then quickly take your brush and then you just smudge that up and out. That creates a more blended look. Don't worry if it shears down too much, because we're just gonna go back in. We're just gonna go back in with the pencil and just throw another layer onto the lid. This builds off of itself really well too. So you can really build up a nice opacity. Now I'm just gently going over any hard line. It's so hot. Okay. So now I'm going in with the Prados Beauty, the highlighter palette, and I'm going in with this champagne color. And I'm just gonna apply it right to the center of the lid. I find this is just an easier way to get that kind of like light lid, smoky eye look, rather than putting the light down first, then having to like build up the darkness or the color. And then I just pop a little bit on that inner corner. And then just make sure there's no blue left on your brush, or you can use another brush. And that I'll use as my highlight as well. Now I'm just using a little bit of transparent powder. This is from Laura Mercier. I'm just going to set under the eyes, just wherever I don't want to shine. This is a really great setting powder. If this wasn't a waterproof product, I would go in and set with that transparent powder so that it stays and doesn't move around for the rest of the day. So now back in with the Superhero by It Cosmetics. I love this mascara, and it also builds really well off of itself. So if you need like a touch up or just want to add more, it doesn't get clumpy. It just creates a beautiful lash. For the lips, KKW Beauty in Nude 2. I just go a little bit outside of my lip line to make it a little bit fuller. A little on the outer corners. And I smudge it so that it's not like a perfect lip line. And just a little on the bottom. Then I'm going in with Buzzed from Milk. This is a plumping gloss, and it really does plump. It's so good. And that's it. There you have it. This is just a quick, colorful, smoky eye. I have like a hair on my face. I can't find it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to see anything, leave those in the comments down below. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.